Hello, my name is Dmitry Popov. I'm CEO of Aggio, and today I will train you on how to use the Aggio Diagnostics platform results tab. A key thing to note is that under lab results, you will only be able to see the individual results that are assigned to your specific email ID. To download a result, simply click on this button and it will download a PDF form that is filled with the detailed information from your result. Alternatively, you could also click on this blue arrow. It will take you into a more detailed tab where you can access via download PDF again or Excel. By clicking on this up and down arrows, such as ID, a session date, lab, etc., you can sort into ascending or descending order. By going to filters over here in the top left and clicking on the black arrow, it will open up all the different filters that you can then utilize to slice and dice the information as you desire. And if you are going to be using a specific filter selection frequently, you can bookmark that filter selection by clicking on the button in the top right here. And then you can save the current filter selection and then easily be able to access that same filter selection over and over once you log in. Finally, if you have any specific questions that were unanswered by this video for the Aggio team, you can click on the envelope over here and that will open up an email to the Aggio help desk.